So somebody coached me and said, look, something is happening right now, like Maureen said yesterday. He said somebody said to you, what's going on? He said, don't worry, forget that thing. Join the how you put yesterday, just smile everything. Don't worry. All right. So you came in right now. This forex thing, what is it all about? I think it's important for you to say, okay, what is this forex all about? You must have that understanding. I've brought in quite a number of people. They don't understand why they joined the business. They don't understand why, okay, this forex thing, their thinking is that this is another word, get rich quick scheme. For a lot of people, they just think that forex is just what? Another get rich quick scheme. Because that is what is really prevailing right there, isn't it? So if you call them, okay, how is this one? They ask, what is the guarantee? They ask, okay, how much will I get? Okay, if I put 179, how much will I get at the end of the month?
So say, how long will it take you to start withdrawing?
You see all of those things? So if you manage to bring them in, and so they need to have this understanding. Now you're into forex, you need to understand that it's not what a get-rich-quick scheme is. Important that you make them to understand this. Please give them this clarity from the beginning. Try to clear their expectations. Not quite long, a lady, I tried to explain on the Zoom call, blah blah, and I said later because 2-3 days ago our account was 10,300. Then through some time to trade, the account got back to 10,100 and something. Fed on. I'm proud of this jewel guy. Anytime my money goes up, he brings it down back again. This thing back again. How do you expect me now to not do sufficient next one? You expect me to bring another one for tonight? I said, okay, the understanding is not yet there. So it's not a get rich quick scheme. Now forex should be seen as what? A business. How many of us understand that? Or how many of us agree that? So if you see forex as a business, let me see your hand up. So if you see it as a business, how should it be treated? As a business. As a business. I don't know how many people will put money in a business and expect that in that business you should break even in your first month. How many of us have done business like that? So why would you not come into forex and say that I put money in forex, how will I get my money back in 1 month? It's not done. So you need to have this understanding. If you have the value, it's a business, then you know that you should be treated in a business. So in the business, sometimes you don't break even in the next 6 months, even the next 1 year, and you keep running the business, isn't it?
Yes.
We see so many people, they are just running into what they call some cash flow, right? You understand what cash flow is?
Yes.
Not your profit. Money is just going in and out. Money is going in. Not your profit. And you keep doing that for the next 3 months, 6 months, and all of that. If you see business, if you see forex that way, I think you're going to go far. The third thing here is that what? It should be seen as a what? As a profession. Now, if you see forex as a profession, what would you do?
You
want to become what? You want to become what? They say what? PRO. A pro. You want to become a pro. Then you know that it's going to take me time. Please get this thing clear. You are here in this boot camp, so when you go back, you help a lot of people. The reason why I'm in this business for over a decade right now is because over time I begin to understand some of these things. And it's paying out for me. It's paying a lot right now. So this, because of time, let's move on right now. Now, understanding why you are trading. Well, why are you trading? You are trading to make profit.
It's a business. The essence of setting up a business.
She's a pro.
She becomes a pro.
She becomes a pro.
Public relations officer.
Wow, that was
Relations officer. Okay, why are you trading forex?
To make profit.
To make profit. Hi, Chief. Why are you trading forex?
I love this most of
You love the street force.
I love it and it's something what I do anywhere, anytime, anywhere.
So why are you trading forex? Understanding why you are trading. So to make money, to build an empire. You love the skill and all of that. So the question, once you understand why you're trading, you should ask yourself, am I doing this in part-time or full-time? Should I go into this here or am I doing it part-time? So if I'm doing it part-time, you should understand your schedule around trading. If it's what I'm doing full-time, then you should be able to pay the price as a full-time trader. A part-time trader can come into the market and say, okay, if I get $50 today, $100, I'm okay. Because I know that I'm doing something else that's bringing me money. Isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a part-time trader.
An idea just got.
What's the idea? Go ahead.
We should all, take it as a full-time business.
Okay.
And then make money, and then set up our own trade house.
Set up your own trade house as well. So you are going pro level. That's it. So if I know that I am trading this as a full-time, then $50, $100 is not my own target. If this is what you do full-time, so my goal, as I'm building myself, training myself, I should be targeting towards anyone I know that will handle my bills, over have savings and to be able to handle my dreams and what desires. A part-time trader just come in, whatever comes in today, I'm good, because he has an idea of something that's coming from somewhere else. So you need to understand why you are trading. I'm doing this full-time, I'm doing this part-time. If you can help yourself to clarify this, you will know when you get to the market in a day, you don't make anything, you can leave the market. Instead of fighting the market. And some of you don't know if you are doing it full-time or part-time. You don't know as I'm speaking right now. True or false? How much I can agree with that? You don't know whether you are trading, you are doing this training full-time or part-time.
For me now, it's full time.
For you now, it's full-time. Before now.
From now on, onwards. I'm not getting any younger.
Retirement plan.
Sure.
Chibos, so far, what have you been doing? Are you doing this thing full-time or part-time?
All in. Initially, I was dedicating like time to crypto. Now,
Full-time into forex.
time, yeah.
So it's important for you to know whether I'm in for part-time. If I'm in for part-time, I have a target. If I see that, I'm good. If I'm in for full-time, I don't do, for me, this is what I do full-time. Somebody was shocked. You have 3 children, they're this level and all of this, the family, is it what you do? This is what I do. Go and check my record. The past years. So, let's move quickly. If it is full-time, what should I go for?
Knowledge.
Go for the knowledge. The moment I know that this thing is going to be my full-time business, I began to search. This is one of the reasons why you will see me say, I want to join an educator's class. I want to listen to somebody who knows more. Anywhere, I will go the extra mile to want to hear how he's making his big money. Because this is what I do. Full-time. Get the knowledge. Now, to get the knowledge, a lot of people don't know how. They hear Forex is making money. Forex is making money. So, what is the next thing? Who can give an idea? They go online and do what? See, you can get the knowledge from a site we call Baby Pips Trading. Baby Pips will give you a lot.
Baby Pips.
Baby Pips.
Baby Pips Trading, yeah, Baby Pips. Baby.com, yeah. You will know, but you see, it's a platform, it's an avenue to get the knowledge of Forex, right? And some people will go where? YouTube. They watch this influencer showing lifestyle, making money Forex, this and this and this. But I'm not too sure. I can't guarantee that you can get the right knowledge from such means. How many of us have tried it? To learn from influencer. Did you get everything from those guys? So, I would recommend you should go and learn from a structured platform. What do you mean by a structured platform? Who can help me?
Learn from a platform like Akash.
Period. When you tell people this, they don't want to, they will say, what I will go to YouTube and learn. I will go online, I will do a story. And a lot of people have done that. They will come and tell you about their story. After going through those platforms, because some of them will offer you free, at the end of the day, they say join my Telegram group. They give you their link to follow them to use their brokerage system. They will send this. You'll be paying meager amount, maybe $10 or $20. You think that's good? Eventually, you are scattering your knowledge structure. So learn through a structured platform like AkashX. You see, the fact that AkashX actually be paying subscription, think of it like your school fees every month. Look at what we have in Akash. We have an academy that takes you from the beginner's class to the expert level. Then we now have the educator series level. These people are on every day on a live session with you. They guide you on a certain way of trading. We have other tools that you can build on. You can leverage on while you are learning. A tool like Tap to Trade. A tool, some of the tools we have like Trade Alert. We have the scanners. The live sessions are there. We are also now going into the crypto automation. This is a structured program that have they have put in place your growth structure. This is how you be going. So coming into AkashX, I think you should understand that you're in for the right thing. Now, what you should now work on is how can I stay active in school for the next 6 months, the next 1 year. And the company is offering you a means of getting scholarship. Where do you get that? You are not thinking about all of these. They are giving you a scholarship program. You can be in school free next month. You can be in the same school for the next 1 year free. How many of us partook in the last scholarship? 1 year scholarship. 1 month, 1 year. How many?
I tried, but I didn't make it.
You didn't meet up anything the 1 month?
No, I made up.
With
Now 1 year.
But you tried. But you got April free right now.
Yeah.
Because if you have done anything, at least you got in one. You got April free.
I don't need the fish. I'm on the annual.
You want to get another annual 1 year again.
Yes.
That's a good one.
You want to invest to get another one.
You didn't get anything. Did you participate in it? What level was you? What level you got? Round 4, round 1, round 2.
Round 1 complete, round 2 complete, round 3 complete, round 4 almost.
Why didn't you do everything to complete it? How many people you got in your round 4? 2 or 3?
Round 4, you need 4 people.
4. You
I
got
will
3.
do about 4.
If I were you, everyone will come down with that 4.
Did I just
You
do
don't
it
need one more
myself?
person. To get 1 year full free subscription. We'll talk about that when we're talking about MDC tomorrow, because I'm going to tell you what you are missing in MDC. A lot of you are missing a lot. I joined 6 months ago.
That is good, perfect, number 2, number 3. Am I getting any reward for
Oh,
those 3?
absolutely, yes, you will.
Yes, that would
Yeah, we're working on it. I think because of all the winners, I think this week is here. Yesterday was a call with the CEO. Was it yesterday or today? Today with the CEO. Are you sure? I thought it was yesterday. Today. Fantastic. I see it. Okay, the CEO is making some announcement today. Is it 6 p.m. or 8 p.m.? I'll confirm. Please check and remind me.
April Madness.
April
Madness.
Including what?
April Madness.
April Madness. No, it won't have April Madness. It was Madness that we had. So, now that you're going to be learning from a structured platform, what should you do? Devote 1 to 2 hours daily. In our power company, I began to emphasize to our team members. I said, if you devote 1 hour in a day, the next 90 to 180 days in that business, I said the next 6 months to 1 year of your life never remain the same. Prove me wrong. That this guy said for the next 90 days to 180, that's 6 months, 1 hour minimum in a day on your academy, learning, listening, repeating, going back again and again and see. Now wait the next 6 months and see how your finances will be. You have 24 hours. You said this thing is my full-time business. My full-time business, I won't be able to give 1 hour? No, think about it. It's able to, no, help me. I said this is my full-time. How many people, this is your full-time? Your full-time. 1 hour. Too small. Are you sure?
Yeah.
But But we are saying it's too small. By the time we come to get to reality, I ask you, what have you done in 1 hour listening? You'll be able to tell me anything.
In 2 hours.
Are you getting it? When I go to the academy to spend 1 hour, when I leave that place, I've gotten something. When I go to follow Joel's replay session, before I watch 1, 2, 3, I've gotten something. This is it. I've never remained the same. I have to keep looking for how to improve myself. How does it work? Oh, smash cash color. Okay, this is what this guy said. I go back again. I watch it again. Another 30 minutes. Some people can't say 30 minutes. 30 minutes to just watch the video. You'll be fast forwarding it. What is it?
The video of learning you can't spend, but it's the video of laughing, rushing content. They will spend the whole day.
This is what I'm saying. For me, it's none of the business. Sometimes I will be there watching, doing this. My wife will come and meet. Oh, they're waiting. You don't get time for us in this house again. There's time for everything. I get engrossed once I'm on my laptop. That's it. I'm not playing on my own laptop. Oh.
That's what pays the bill.
That's what pays the bill. 1 hour, please. Out of your 24 hours, what have you done? What are the income producing activity you are doing? We call it income producing. So that also applies to the MDC side. Now in your trading, what are the income producing activity you are doing daily? Okay, join a trading community or a live session, session. A community like Akashment. They talk every day. This one comes up to give their own view. This is what Arabella did. This is what Jojo did. So you understand. And this keep all of these people what? On check. So they go back. That's why you see sometimes when Joel is not doing well, he goes back to do what?
Re-strategize.
Because people complain on the community. All of them, they are under check. But who is helping you to check the guy on that YouTube that puts you inside his Telegram group? Nobody. This is the only place that this guy can't just be doing anyhow. No. They will put him on check. If he's not doing what, they take him away. That's why they're bringing people every now and then. New educators, new educators. Everybody has to be on their toes. They're not just sending the trade out to you. Before they send the trade out, they've done proper analysis to their own knowledge. And it's up to the market now to play out according to that. But that they just wake up and just, no, nobody does that. So that's that. Now the next thing is a trading platform. Once you join that, you need to choose what? A trading platform as you're growing. For our beginners here, you don't understand what this means. A trading platform is what? A trading platform like an MT4, MetaTrader 4. I was just helping some people this morning to open MetaTrader 4. 2 people.
Yeah.
This morning. A MetaTrader 4 is a trading. What is a trading platform? I've already said. We even mentioned it yesterday. That's why I'm just going fast into this. MetaTrader 4 is one of the trading platforms. One of the trading platforms. And as a matter of fact, this is the fourth trading platform. And truly, if this want to be like your full-time business, you should understand all this trading platform. Most of us don't know MetaTrader 4 is what? Trade Locker that we all know. Trade Locker is advanced. But for you to really master Trade Locker, if you know how MetaTrader 4 works, you can master Trade Locker. If they take you to C Trader, there's another one called C. I don't want to put all of them there. Because the one we are currently using with our platform is what? Trade Locker. But there's no way we talk about Trade Locker without talking about MT4, MT5. Match Trader is there. You know how Match Trader works? You don't know. What about C Trader? Then Trade Locker. So start here. MetaTrader 4. If you don't even have an account, open a demo account. With the broker for your personal account, if you open an account, open on MetaTrader 4. Understand how MetaTrader 4 works.
Who is in that trade? Who is in the sell trade?
Yeah, so.
Okay, you guys have called that sell. It was going by before.
It's selling.
It's selling by. So I know that's what's going to be up and down till 130.
1,200.
Down. Okay, thank you. So by 130, when we go for our sightseeing. So don't worry.
Thank you, Mr. Elvis. Mr. Elvis, thank you.
So that's it. Thank you, Mr. Elvis. So this is it. This is the last slide. Where are we? MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and MT4. Open it. Do a demo account. Understand how to place trade there, how to close trade. You will master the current platform you are using. You begin to understand all these features. You won't be, what's it called, a rookie when any platform is coming. I wasn't trading and trade locker before. I was on, after MetaTrader 5, the first profit that I got involved in was March Trader. March Trader was a little different. I began to see, okay, this is a little different. Then when we joined account checks, trade locker. But it didn't take me more than a day. Once I'm open it, I can understand because I have the basic knowledge from all of this. Where to place trade, where to edit your trade, where to execute. All those things are there. Some people will take them over and over and over and all of these things. Now, the next tip is what? You need to choose a trading broker. Who is a broker? What do you understand by a broker? Who is a broker?
Someone who
We're having to. Sorry?
A broker is someone who gives us his platform to trade.
Gives us this platform to trade. That's one answer. Who is a broker?
Broker is
A middleman,
like
an intermediary.
yes.
Intermediary between who?
Between the market and the traders.
Forex market and you the trader.
So you should have this basic knowledge. So if I need to help myself in my trading journey, I need a good broker. You need to have an understanding of who a broker is. That's another thing. As you are growing, you might not get to all of it, but as you are growing, you need to understand what is a broker, who is a broker, how do I identify the right broker for because it's my business. I don't want to trade and I got to a point where I want to withdraw $50,000. My broker is telling me, sorry, you cannot withdraw. Yeah. You say what? No, you don't want to get to that platform whereby you are just trading, you're seeing it. Then click on withdrawal.
they are offering to withdraw now.
Now, this is not a Ponzi scheme, but this is a broker right now, right? Broker is saying you cannot withdraw. So, to get a broker, the right one, you need to look at all of these things, future. First, you want to consider what? The deposit and withdrawal. So, when the broker says you deposit, you want to look at the options of what? Deposit. What are the deposit options? How fast are these deposit options? Some brokers are not in Nigeria here, you need to deposit through a card. And for us in Nigeria here, it might not be that quick. No card for some it takes most people for a broker, it takes time for them to confirm the payment. If you have to withdraw again into the card, it will not take same day. So you want to consider this first. Deposit and withdrawal, how fast is it? Then again, what is the minimum deposit for this on this platform? Not the broker that will tell you the minimum deposit is 5,000 on our platform.
Hey.
Yeah. Some brokers are like that. Some are 2,000, 1,500. For some brokers, minimum deposit $30, $50, $10 for some instrument that allows you to start that way. Then another broker, you want to understand or check and confirm if this broker is what? Regulated. The truth is, most brokers in Nigeria, if not all, they are not regulated. What are the different regulating authorities that we have? We have the one in Asia, ASIC. We have the one in the US, CFCP. That's for the US. The one for the UK is what? FCA. The one for which other country?
FSA. Financial Services Authority.
That's FSA. Under which region is that one? I know that's for Europe, UK, US, America, then the Australian. Then this one is under. I'll get it. I think. Say that again.
You said SciSec. SciSec is Cyprus.
SciSec, that's it now. That SciSec is for Cyprus. So most of the brokers here, they're from Cyprus.
Yes.
Most of them. And I don't want to say anything about that. They are here to make money in Africa. It's just unfortunate that Africa has not been able to come up with their own regulation. so they can do anyhow with us in Africa here. You dare not do anything anyhow with the citizen in the US. Eh? You want to come and operate as a broker? You go to the regulation, CFCP, and tell me how you can mismanage their money. So you won't understand, but we don't have choice. What we do, we follow the broker, but still I have to check under which regulations is this broker operating, right? So find out that you need to understand that too. Now, you also want to look at their trading instrument. What do you understand by trading instrument? Who can tell me? What do you understand by the trading instrument?
They go.
What do you understand? Is it good? What do you understand by trading instrument? Eh?
The asset they're using to trade now, is it nothing?
That's it. Asset. And say it if you know what I'm saying now. Who can help me? That is trading assets. Trading instrument that we have.
Having physical office whereby you can go and get training, they have all that you need.
100% no. Tools like MACD, like tools.
Trade local.
Interface. Oh my goodness. They need to go to their peasants. Trading instruments.
Like gold,
Different instruments.
metal, indices, crypto.
These are the instruments.
I was saying
No, I didn't hear you say anything. Who was it? I didn't hear you say anything. The one I said no was the guy was saying office, all this. I said all that. No.
But I said God now. God is one of the things.
You're not saying it. I did it.
It's not. You say that's metal. It's not gold.
So I was asking you. So when you say trading instrument, so you want to check, okay, because if I'm trading gold, and what you have under gold is not what will help me, I won't open my account with you. Because not all brokers, for some brokers, there are some limitations they have on crypto. So if you're a crypto type, you want to check all of that. If you are trading more of gold, you want to check what are their, if I have to go onto that, their leverage, their spread. On each of these instruments, their spread differs. You don't take the same spread on each of these instruments. And those are another thing, I want to go in depth on broker. But understand what are the trading instruments that you have that will not limit your trading, that will not limit your profitability and all of that. Then you want to look at why, identify the type of trader that you want to be. This is very, very important. Let me go back here. So let me show you that. Identify the type of trader you want to be. Before now, we've treated this. Yes, maybe I think I mentioned this yesterday.
Also, who are their liquidity providers?
Providers. See, brokerage is something that may be a time we need to talk about it as you go. There's a lot that you need to consider under a broker. So for me, I don't just pick any broker, I check it on. Even to your platform, to the time zone, where you are hosting your work, your server. I check all of that.
How long has they been operating?
You understand all of this? Because of the little understanding that I have, so I don't just put my money on any broker. I want to get to the point whereby I can have $1 million with you. I don't have issue with my withdrawal. That is it. So, and I don't jump into any brokerage because you are offering me rebates. Bring people, give me rebates. I don't do that. Because I know that I can make my money myself. So don't, because today, let me just be sincere, a lot of brokers teach traders with what? Debate. Bring us clients. Bring us clients, and we'll give you this. And they don't know. The more you bring that, they do what? They jack up what? They spread. Because they want to pay you. And I was saying to one broker, I'm not after that. Because you want to pay me spread now, you will jack up you want to pay me rebate, you jack up the spread. My client comes in, they pay the trade before they make profit, they will be sweating before the thing will jack up. So you don't want to do that. So all of that you need to consider. Now,
sorry sir, excuse me. Based on that, which brokers do you recommend?
No, this is not talking about that. I won't recommend right now. I won't recommend right now.
Okay.
When there is need, I might do that, but I don't think it's a problem to sell any broker for you.
Okay.
So identify the type of trader you want to be. we have a scalper, we have a day trader, we have swing trader. So today, if this is what I want to do full time, or if I'm doing it part time, you need to understand this to help you. So you're not fighting every day in the market. If you're a scalper, you need to define how you scalp. I will scalp to a certain level, come out of the market. But some people scalp all through the day. Hey, into the night.
And lose what they have made earlier.
It's not good. It's not good. Look at it, for example. Somebody open an account. It's not even a live account. The challenge account. Open account that same day. She scalped 23 trades entry. And now, guess what she did? She made $3.90. And the broker deduct spread of $2.90. She was like, what's happening? She called me. These people's spread is too high, yo. These people's spread is... I said, what happened? He said, I made over $3 and they deducted almost $3 as spread. I said, is that possible?
23 trades for $3.
That's it. Scalp. I just see what scalping can do. They just go in and not going out. And you are just making money for the broker. Broker making money. Going spread.
When you scrap, you only make money.
No, I'm not saying you can. I'm just telling you with an example. If you are not making good money, you are just going in and out. You see 3 cents, 4 cents, you don't see a green. You take a $1, you come out. The time you will lose $3, $4, $2, $4. Then all the little you make more, about 3 or 4 that you have taken everything. I just give an example. Almost 23 trades, make 3 point something $. The spread the broker took is about 2.9 spread. And she called now that these people's spread are too high. I said, how is that possible? I checked mine. I said, I have taken about 7 trades, and I made about $77 here. The spread was $9. So how come on 7 trades, I made $77, $9 spread? I said, okay, send me your login. That's how I got to know. I logged in because when I screenshot my own, he said, I'm not, this is it. She was arguing with me. Okay, send me the login. I logged in, brought out the trade history. I saw 90 trades, and look at it now. On each trade, if you enter, she was entering with 0.01. On 0.01, the spread was 0.05 cents. 0.50 cents.
Higher than
Now 0.05, less than 10 cents now. So now, me that I enter with one lot size, they're charging, okay, that'll be times 5 of that. But I was able to stay in the market and make good profit. All they took was $9 in my 7 trades. So I explained this to her. This is what we're doing. Scalping, if you're a scalper, understand how you scalp. Am I just going to be taking some peanuts that I think I'm making profit? No. Scalping has strategy. I know some people that scrap with what? With $1 million. They are scrapping.
Yeah. They use high outside.
With $1 million capital, they are scrapping.
wow.
So those people know what they are scrapping. When they put, don't let me help you. When they put 100 standard lot size, market goes to one people movement, they make good money. Not be you when you have $10, you get scalp. What are you scalping with $10? Some people put $10, they are scalping. They have $10, they are scalping. They don't understand scalping. When I show you people with $1 million that's scalping, you like scalping will be hungry. You understand? Because when you don't do 1 pip, 2 pips, you come out, you have made about $3,000 to $4,000, $5,000.
On the futures, there are some guys that do that.
But they tell that
Huge portfolio on futures trade. They will just enter. That's the only thing they do.
I can't explain that about future trading.
They will enter once the market moves a bit. They've made over $1,000.
Because they are leveraging 10x,
20x, all those things.
Their portfolio is high in millions. That's what they do. They just come out.
All right. So now understand if you're a scalper. Please, I'm not against being a scalper. You just need to understand the type of trader you want to be, isn't it?
Yes.
You need to understand. I'm giving you an example. A scalper is who? The person who goes into the market and come in almost immediately with little or no profit. That's what a scalper is. He doesn't stay long in the market. He just want to make little or no profit and come out quickly. They don't stay up to 5 minutes in the market. If you are scalping, you are still saying 5 minutes. I don't think you are scalping, because if that market turns against you, because you don't have an edge, I'm going to talk about that. A day trader, you want to ask yourself, am I a day trader? We talked about it yesterday on that small quiz. Or a swing trader. A day trader is somebody who trades and ensure that he closes all of his trades at the end of the day, before they open up for another market. They hardly take that trade into the next day. That's a day trader. They go in, look into the market, and most often they do their market analysis based on 1 hour to 4 hours. They look at the market. They can stay in for 30 minutes, depending on how the market is. 1 hour, maximum 4 hours, they close the market. They enter another position. They might be in the market for 15 minutes, depending on what their take profit level and all of that. That's a day trader. A swing trader is somebody who trade and leave his trade for a period of time. So anything above a day is a swing trader. If you leave your market for over a day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, you are a swing trader. Position trader, don't let us, nobody is yet, except you have it as a dream to become what? A position trader. A position trader are big players. Because all of us now, we are what? Retail traders. We still trade below $1 million. So don't talk about, sir?
The hedge fund manager.
So it's not really hedge fund managers, we can call position traders. And individual also. The likes of Warren Buffett, the big player like that, they are position traders. They have big funds to trade, more than $1 million. So they can choose to trade for 3 to 6 months and 1 year. Most of them, sometimes twice in a month. The big ones is once in a year. Once they enter from the beginning or quarter, whatever they end, then another 1 year. They don't look at it. The capital they have. Somebody was asking, even their money, who was asking yesterday, that when their capital, where will be their capital? That sheet was asking that kind of question. The capital they have, the position they have, if the market does, they understand the market that they are trading. Because they work on what? The monthly candle. So 12 monthly candle, where it will move from year to year, they know. And they know the number of pips the capital with the lot size can take it anyhow. So market can do a pullback to almost their level. And market don't move in one direction. If it does, if it goes down, after a period of time, what will it do? It will go up back.
Some people who have hypertension have been going.
So you see, so because you are trading on like this, they have done the up and down and take you out. But inside those 1 month, market will do a lot of noise. They don't even see it. If you go to monthly candle, you just go in. You don't even know what's happening. It's from that side over here. You guys are taking trade as well. So I'm talking, that's a good one. So decide what kind of trader you are. Can you tell me I'm a day trader? You think, not the scalper.
See, sorry sir, sorry. See, why I think I'm a scalper is that I don't set the trade and leave it in the morning to close it in the night. So I see $50 I take, maybe I enter 3 slots. I see $50 I take. I study the, what do you call it again? No, the fundamentals now, or what do you call it? I study the trend, let me use the word trend. And I see there's still opportunity, or if there's a call. Throughout the day, I trade, I keep taking it morning to night, and if I still see good news all night, I still enter again. But sometimes I work with a target. If I have made that target for that day, I can meet the market. No matter what I can drop that to forget about the market.
Let me help you here.
So let me know if I'm a scalper, because I'm taking profits small. I don't wait till you get to 500 before I take it. I take even 20. I take 50. I can take 100.
It's not
Is
about
that
the naira
what
value.
make me a
Two
scalper?
things I'm going to define that
And
will help you.
I have you said you don't even set stop loss.
Watch it.
You watch it?
Yeah, I'm stop loss.
Yeah, it's
You're a confirmed scammer.
It's a confirmed scalper.
You know lots
There are like a few things that you can consider that will help you to know who you are. One, if you go in and out into the market all the time you go into the market, it's one criteria to look into. Then again, if you go into the market, how many pips do you target? If you are still looking at 3, 4, 5 pips, 3, 4, 5 pips that come out.
No.
3, 4, 5 pips, 10 pips you come out.
20, 10.
You said it's not about the $500 you talk about. That's what it determines. It's when you look at a market edge, and so I'm going to this market. This is where I'm coming in. You're defining. So that could be from 20 and above, 30, 40 pips. If it's lesser than that, you might be a scalper. And ultimately, when you don't put stop loss, you are watching. If you're not still watching, you are confirmed.
When I saw Arabella's signal, I noticed that she scalped. So I started following her, started reading up on her. Her scalping is actually well defined. She says she looks for the dip in a market and she will enter that dip, but she doesn't stay long. She defines, okay, it will get to so point. This is my.
So a day trader can actually scalp.
Okay.
You understand? A day trader can say, okay, this market will definitely go in and come out. And when they are saying they are scalping, they're not scalping twice. For a day trader, their scalping will mean what? 10 to 20 pips. So you'll be more wondering, what is this something? Okay, you'll be saying, no, 10 to 20 pips. That's a scalping.
And also, most scalpers use good lot size. How big is good lot?
Like you.
What is
Okay, let me wrap up. Sorry, what's the time, please? Someone should have told us.
What is it?
110.
How do you divide to get it?
20. So one is 125. I'll close for now. We'll continue. All right. Have a word. A trading strategy. Don't just look at the market and say, I think. It doesn't work like that. Though. I think the market wants to go up. I think it's going down now. I don't know if I'm saying that. So it doesn't work. In FOREX, you don't think. Have what? An approach that determines when to buy and sell. That's an edge. That's a strategy. You don't have it now, fine. As you study, you begin to understand. Oh, this is strategy. So when this and this happen, I should do what? I should buy. It's not based on I think. No, there should be some conditions you have seen that made me to say, okay, this market will buy based on this. You see that? That's how you'll be helping yourself. But when you don't have it's going like it was asking me, is understanding what? Business psychology and what have a now when it comes to trading psychology, what is psychology?
Perception.
The mind.
A trader's psychology is basically a trader's mindset for trading. And this is deep. If you ask me, it's 90%. Your trading skill takes 10%. So this is very, very important. And time will not permit us to go deep into that. Just go I'm going to. So when we are talking about trading psychology, we are talking about you having a clear-cut trading plan. It's born out of your thinking, your mindset. You develop the plan of trading. If you meet any expert, a pro which they have a trading. Are you getting that right now?
Yes, sir.
It's not just about making money. I make money with it. pro don't do that. A pro with a trading plan, when they go in, they make the money. They know why they go in and make the money and leave the market. When they see again, based on their age, their trading plan, they go in. It's not, oh, it's going to, they know like that up is doing, it goes, it can go. They know that when it goes that way, they know where it's going to stop or come back again and follow and do the right thing. So maybe we'll find time to dig deep into this, because I just want to touch one or two trading thinking surveys that will help us here. Have a trading plan.
I think experience will also help
In having this?
Yes.
Well, I think at our Lagos Trade House, I've been helping to help you on having a trade. Like for example now, on my tap to trade, I have a clear-cut trading plan around tap to trade. It helps my account so well. There is no way you can say you burn your account if you implement my trading plan. You can. On a trading plan now. Then have what? Everybody.
Have a trading journal.
You are a beginner. If you understand this, it will make you big time money. You'll be smiling to the bank. Let's use that word. Trading journal. What do you understand by a trading journal? Who can say just anything? A jotter that we used to write something. Compiling the trading. What else again?
My trading journal to be and a compilation of my trading knowledge.
Say it loud again.
A book that writes why you took the trade, the trade you took, how many trades you took this month. Like just a detailed breakdown of everything you did.
Detailed breakdown of
combination of your trading history.
Everything. How many of us have done that? I took this trade on gold. Why did I took this trade? On 4 hours candle, I saw the week happen here. It was confirmed on 15 minutes time frame when this and this happened. And you know, you took every detail down. At the end of the day, it hit my stop loss. Why? This and this. Write it down. Not the trade that you want, that you document it down.
Document
But
all.
the scalper can't capture document.
How will a scamper have it? A scamper can't. The one that just came and come and what did they want to document? I rushed in, I came out right now. So he has to be a day trader or a swing trader that will have history of his trading activity and is building on that, he's becoming more pro on that. This we can't talk. What we just said is beyond that though. We need to go deep into that. So with that, because of time, let's just check one or two. Thinking, survey on thinking, right? Yeah. So probably before we during our lesson in the afternoon, if we can dig deep into it, we'll do that. But we're treating something else on the ecosystem tomorrow, or we'll take the rest at our trade house when we commence next trade, or we continue our next trade house. So with that now, let's see, let me quickly. Where do I see my...
Who is in a trade? Yes. Who is in a trade now? If you are in any trade, close it now. Close it. Close that trade. In 14 minutes, NFP.
I'll be done with this. So let's take a look at under trading psychology and some attitude survey that will help you. Now this as well is more. I just want to try to extract a few. We'll talk about it. We'll then look into the market together. What is here? Who can read the first one?
Making money as a trader.
What do you say about that? We're talking about what? Attitude survey. So somebody is thinking, okay, making money as a trader is a function of what? Analysis. True or false? Eh? You sure? Making money is a function of what? You can see now. That's a thinking pattern of a trader that says, oh, if I have my right analysis. How many people have seen many analysis that have led to paralysis?
Enough.
So you agree that this is one person's perception, and quite a number of people have that thinking. Are you seeing that right now? Making money is not primarily a function of what? Analysis alone. Analysis is good. It's part of what we say you have an edge, right? My trading strategy, why I enter, but it's not primarily what function making money in forex.
Because a fundamental can change your
can
analysis
paralyze
in seconds.
Can paralyze your analysis. Just right now. Are you seeing that? Okay, number 2. What is it? Excuse me.
I often find myself thinking there must be a way to trade without having to take a loss.
How many people have been thinking that way? You're all your own is to take money from the market. Are you still getting? You see now? Now you.
You're not telling you.
Now you get the market. You see now? How will you be trading? All you want to go for is profit.
You think that you're on the buy side, that everybody should be buying.
These are thinking that are going on that will help you. If you can clear this thinking, this psychology, it will help you. How can you say you always think that you shouldn't take a loss? And that's what keeps people in market for days, and their account kept going down. It will go back, it will go back. Ah, no, this trade. Ah, God. You keep doing it. Till the account will go down.
Yeah, it's a revenge rent.
Revenge rent. Because they are not willing to take a loss. They just think that no, there should be a way.
I will fight another day.
They should be thinking that way.
But it's a positive mindset anyway.
In trading, it's not a positive. You're thinking positive to be consistent profiting. And how to arrive at that, I will make loss and I'll make more profit. That is coming under my word, risk to reward ratio. You don't have 100% control of the market.
One of the first things you need to understand is that, and have it at the back of your mind, the market is not my own. I don't own the market. Anything can happen.
I have trouble getting out of a losing trade. Who has that trouble? Raise up your hand. I have it. Working on it, you know what it is. It's not. You understand right now? That your more you see now. I have trouble getting out of a losing trade. Close that trade. No, you can go back. No, you go back. In my last platform with leader, let me just put that straight. We're trading an account. For people was on auto, under the copy trading, both. And this has been on for 2 weeks, lost. And we have a maximum drawdown. We are almost getting to maximum drawdown. Not for one person. Once he hit the master account, all account gone. Okay, we are 9,600. Let's close this trade right now. We left the first day again. Second day, we move up 9,600 to 9,700 again. Suddenly, again, all the trade boom, boom, 9,590.
Hey.
Let's close this thing. We left it again. News was coming out. When that news came out, blink second, under one bid like this, that account was almost from 9,006 to 9,500 left for us to not close account. We were rushing, close the plan. They didn't know it's under, but close, but now we they rush, close. That single was just. So the point here is having closing your losing trade. Close it and have the belief that you will win it back. Joel says what?
They should let it get to stop loss.
No, if you have determined that is a different thing, you don't put stop loss. No stop loss. You are believing that it will go back. It go better. Or like they use that guy. That guy is only 41. It go better. Or it will go. All right. And this. Okay. So, what was the time? 2 minutes more. So once it's 2 minutes, this might be. And I am more. If another class will take a look at it. Do you find yourself planning trades you never execute? And executing trade you never plan. This goes well with who? Day trader, scalpers, and who again? You plan, you don't look at the trade. When it's time to strike, you call the thing last thought again. Should I? Should I not? Should I? The trader began to go, and I should have taken that trade. How many of us? I thought Every day. You see all of these things. These are the things you find yourself. You don't plan a mode. If you get there, 1 minute, just wait. Let's see. Look at first. Then, executing trade you never plan. The one you never plan, just go this one. Let me not enter now. This is the one you do not plan. You do not plan for.
That's the start class.
That's the one you not strike. Boom. Say let me not enter. You not begin to feel somehow.
And my mind says.
And my mind said, your mind says you don't. That is it. Then this thinking that there's always cost associated with finding out what the market may do next. Guys, these trading psychology thing I have here, there are more. But time will not permit that. I just felt that that was 2 hours. That's right. So it will help us another day. So again? This one. Oh, do you find yourself planning trades you never execute? You don't plan the trade. Finally, you know strike. The screen trade you never plan another. So let me check one for 1 minute and see if that one will come here. Idowu, if I were to thoroughly analyze my trading result, I will find out that my average losing trade is much bigger than my average winning trade. True or false? True. If you would thoroughly analyze it, your average losing trade much more at this level. So you need to do something around it, right? So it takes only one trader somewhere in the world to negate my positive outcome of any particular trade. Do you understand that? We'll discuss that in the next trading. Let's move. Let's go and check the market for the non-farm payroll. So, do you see what trade did? Do you see what gold did? Oh my goodness. This is a rejection of this level. Boom. This is 1 hour. Okay, 30 minutes will determine before 1 hour. Because if that guy closed in the next 1 hour that way, down, the market might continue downward. This network, hey, that is taking time to load. By the way, don't ever trade non-farm payroll when you don't have a good network. Don't ever do that. So this is it. Now you will see that everybody has set. So please check on the Telegram group. Do we have any educators that are coming up? Do we have any educators that are coming up? Who is trading? Let me see. Johash. But what's happening to this network? Who has a better network? Where is Uriel?
It's available. That enter it, then go to the platform.
Is it on? No, I'm connected to it.
Okay.
The watch is not coming up. Alright, so let's check. Is Joseph doing analysis? It looks like the network is not really bringing these people up. Is the network doing well on your side there? This 5G.
Okay.
So let's see. This is moving. 30 minutes. Let's look at 15 minutes. Let's look at 5 minutes. Let's now so from experience, I don't trade this at all. I wait for the guy to settle after 30 minutes, 2 o'clock, and then you'll get some clarity, and still gold can still deceive you after that time. Can still deceive you.
2 minutes to go.
3 minutes to go.
2.
So that's it. So let's look at what the outcome of the news will be. So people are going to be all around. Hi, see the time. It's countdown. 1 minute, 25 seconds. 23 seconds, 22 seconds. Look at all this news. These are dangerous news. So USD card is going to do boom, indecision. Because this is FOREX factory. So you're going to see that. So this is a very major news for the US. Very key major news, and the Fed is going to be speaking. Our own central bank governor, Cardoso, right?
Sir, if sharp turns red, as a trader, what do you expect us? Do you need to buy or sell?
Which one turns red? The chart? This one?
These are high impact.
These are high impact news. So you must understand, this is what? Orange, right? This is what? Medium impact. You put your cursor, it's going to tell you. This is low impact news. It's almost time. So let's come back to it. Let's see how the market will react from 5 minutes candle.
Some people will cry, some people will rejoice.
So see that. So this is 13 seconds more. You see the way it's doing? Don't forget there are levels here, but you will see how, based on those 4 major news that are going to be out released at the same time. You see what you know? Boom. For that one.
So what did I
That's
say?
5 minutes.
Yeah, this is 5 minutes.
Respect yourself.
If you want reach some, enter. Which kind of buy? Nobody's telling you a buy or something. You have to enter your own at your own risk. Me? You don't guess what's happening? Who said that? You don't know what's happening
now. Buying.
Non-farm payroll news. You will see how good it's going to deceive a lot of people. You will buy and sell at the same time. You will do buy and sell. Only those who have mastered the guy knows his direction. And for some people, first, what he might do, he might first go and take one level out and go back again and take the other people out again. So people who have mastered that, they will take one at profit, take the other one at profit as well. But this is not really moving as expected. Because ordinarily, if I've broken this level with this case was,
go back to the FOREX factory. Let's see the report. If it's in favor of USD.
Okay, these are not really major red and something. Non-farm payroll is positive for the UK. Employment rate is red, negative. Okay.
Employment rate.
So the impact might not be that strong, but still, it will still come out. When the government speaks here, you add to that, but now it's going to do a minimal movement. Let's see. You can see that's been on that same place, it's still going up and down. Right? You can see.
When it shows green, it means it's positive for USD. So any currency that USD is paired with, USD will take, while that currency will drop. So for like GBP USD now, USD will gain strength, the market will sell. But if the news is against the dollar, GBP will climb. So that's what. But for gold, sometimes this impacts whether USD is strong or not strong. Gold will
let's see the impact on Euro USD. On the Euro USD, same thing. They are not really making much impact. Look at what it's doing. Pound. Let's look at pound. Pound is also. All the markets are not really moving. Check the JPY. The same thing. 5 minutes. Look at that. Look at them.
What we are seeing, it has done some peaks already.
No, of course, some people have got some people.
Reasonable peaks.
So you might be shocked after 5 minutes, it might begin to do some money. So you need to wait and look at that. This is
always tell you 15 minutes after the news.
Yeah, so okay, check what US 30 is doing. US 30 moved. Let's see. Okay, US 30 didn't really move much. Okay, so you need to wait. I will wait for the 1 hour candle to close to know what is happening around here after the 1 hour. Okay, right now. So that means if this guy close, they know that this rejection and take out all these people out, they might want to come and touch here. You can pull it down before it move back up. That was nice. So that's me. I'll wait till this 1 hour candle close. To know what happens. In between, you can scalp if you're a scalper.
You can't start while the news is on.
If you have to leave, then you
Is
can
the news over?
The news has been released already. So we are seeing the impact.
The impact, yes. I'm talking about the impact.
The news has already been released, so this is the impact that we're seeing. So if it goes down more than that, I'll read it. But this is the 1 hour, but you can look at it on the 5 minutes right now. See what the 5 minutes is doing. But it's not really moving more.
It's only this way. Scalper.
Just scalping. So that's
Do they scalp NF? This news no move.
That's what I'm saying. You didn't
NFP, this one.
honestly, first time I've checked all the concurrencies. They are all the same. They're not moving.
No, sir, give it another 10 minutes.
For the 15 minutes to close.
No, be so NFP they move now.
For me. Oh, we can't do all of that. Okay, so while we're watching it, I hope we got something from the first lesson, the second lesson, right? So there will be quiz tonight on it.
No, we didn't get rewards for the last quiz.
Don't worry,
We didn't get rewards for the last quiz.
Compare your points.
Is it not on the day that school closes that they give reward? Your own school day, is it different from the one I attended? We have prize giving day on the day we're closing. We're closing on Sunday, that's prize giving day. So anybody that's not, if you're not around on the prize, no collecting prize by proxy. So if you're not around, you're not around.
Give a letter of authority to somebody.
No letter of authority.
Oh, good. I mean, if that 1 hour closed down here.